Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Redken Color Extend Brownlights Blue Toning Shampoo and Conditioner. So I recently dyed my hair to my natural color, which is a dark brown, and I like my browns more cool toned than warm toned. So that's why I'm going to be using this shampoo and conditioner today, because it's supposed to give you that nice cool toned look that I want. Alright you guys, it comes in this pretty dark blue packaging and it says Color Extend Brownlights Blue Toning Shampoo and Conditioner. Anti-brass for natural and highlighted brunettes. Alright, and now I will let you guys sit back, relax, and watch the process, and we will talk after. Okay guys, so I got out of the shower and I let my hair air dry just because I'm trying to keep it healthy, so I don't want to put more heat on it. But I want to give you guys my overall thoughts on the experience. So as you saw, it's extremely pigmented. It is basically like paint. No joke, and it takes forever to wash out, which I'm not gonna say that's a negative thing because it really did a good job. I feel like it really covered my brassy tones. And I don't know if you can see it very well on camera, but at least in person, it does look better than it did before. So yeah, if you're going to use the shampoo and conditioner, I mean, I highly recommend it if you're looking to get rid of your brassy tones, but make sure you use a dark colored towel or a towel that's around the same color, because it will stain your stuff 100%. So be aware of that. I hope you guys are doing okay right now during all this craziness, but if you have any recommendations for content you want to see to keep you entertained or whatever it may be, please let me know down below. I'd love to cater to you guys' entertainment needs. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.